Which of the following books related to French travelers to India are matched correctly? Okay, so there are different French travelers that is given in the question itself. So that is one answer, one clue for you. Okay, this Jean de Thévenot, Francois Bernier, Abbé Carré. Okay, these people are from France and they are actually matched correctly. Answer is 1, 2, 3. These are the books written by them. So now this is some remonstrate something, okay, mentions about the cultivation of indigo is written by this Jean de Thévenot. And then this Bernier, he told travels in the Mughal Empire. This Abbé Carré told travels of Abbé Carré. So this is very easy to by heart because his name itself is there in the book name. Okay, so that you leave it. This travels in the Mughal Empire is by this person. So now down if you see, a little bit order, okay, like in which order they came to India. So this person, Jean, he came, is very like earliest I can tell, 1626. Okay, that time you should see what is happening in India. That time Britishers came and things are just starting up. That time the British ruled. Then Francois Bernier came in 1656. Abbé Carré, doubted as an undercover agent sent by the French king in 1670. Okay, so this can be a question. Who was a secret agent under the French king? Okay, UPSC question came actually recently. Who was the one who came and visited, which French traveler visited diamond mines in India? That was a UPSC question in 2021 or 22. Okay, that time the answer was, I think, this one, Jean-Baptiste Tavernier. He's actually a French gem merchant. This person is not there in this question. Okay, remember that. This is 3 different person. This is the 4th person. I'm giving you extra information. All 4 are French. That is one thing. And this is the order. He came, and this person's timeline is like he came many times, 1630 to 1668. So you can take like in between him. Okay, second position you can give. This came in 1626. He came in 1630 to 68. He came in 1656. He came in 1670 and he is the undercover agent. He's the one who went to diamond thing. Okay, then his books. Okay, this extra person's books, less voyages, and then something. Okay, this is all French terms you cannot by heart, but whatever is written, less 6 voyages. So these are the 4 French travelers who came to India in different timelines, and the order also I have taught you. See, 2018 question: which one of the following foreign travelers elaborately discussed about diamonds and diamond mines of India? So Jean-Baptiste Tavernier. Okay, and see the other options: this Abbé Carré, then Jean de Thévenot, and Francois Bernier. So I always tell you the wrong options of one year will be the right answer of the next year. So that is why I taught you about all of them now. Okay.